Hi, welcome to my channel. The current video about Atom. With decentralized finance (DeFi) turning into all the rage, calculation and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain foundation world. While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. At present decision the Atom cryptographic money trades, Cosmos network is flooding ahead with Tendermint core and its one-of-a-kind Byzantine fault tolerance, having pronounced its venture worth $15 million. Universe digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos network helps the development of Atom token. Universe digital currency, all the more famously known by its local symbolic Atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market performing marvels. Universe, Atom. The mystery decoded. Universe is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights savvy contract usefulness, as well as offers a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any brokers included. Universe biological system additionally contains Cosmos Hub. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Universe network utilizes an offbeat Byzantine fault-tolerant (AVT) agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe is a token on the Cosmos Hub. IOTA tokens are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money, the whole peculiarity and essential focal point of Cosmos, Atom, is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games to give some examples which can be based on this stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, decentralized applications, and ceaseless turns of events and redesigns. Universe, Atom. The global advantage. IOTA clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred cash through brilliant agreements, as Atom handles the transformation through nuclear trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. Multifunctional credits of Atom and our cost expectations bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. Future Atom cost is anticipated at $73.555041 following a year as per our cost conjecture. In light of our Atom cost expectation, the most extreme worth may be around $33.52, a base cost of $26.19 toward the finish of 2022. The typical Cosmos, Atom cost for December 2022 may be $21.70. Universe cost gauges toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60. The Cosmos, Atom cost is estimated to reach $30.123 by the beginning of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $37.654, least cost $25.605. In light of our Atom value expectation and cost investigation, the future cost of the Cosmos coin could cross $38 before the current year's over temporarily. As per Redditor's cost forecasts, the Atom cost is set to outperform the assumptions in the impending years. By 2025, the Cosmos, Atom cost will penetrate the characteristic of $60.082. Universe, Atom cost forecasts, the Atom United States dollar will shoot up and arrive at a Cosmos value scope of $120.16. Ultimately possibly scaling even to an astounding $1 trillion market cap because of the ascent sought after for DeFi resource in the following 5 years to drop by merchants. As per news and our Atom cost forecast, a ton of Atom projections are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the start idea search stage to the testing stage and before the year's over, a ton of new ventures would have been finished, henceforth, by and large around bullish value expectations of crossing an untouched high of cryptographic money cost $31.47, setting out additional open doors to exchange, purchase universe, making it a productive speculation. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected enormous force. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25, however from that point onward, it plunged to $17. Then, at that point, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a huge convention and enlisted another untouched high of $32.14. Nonetheless, as of late, it confronted a sharp decay. Universe cost today waits around $30.26, with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a circling supply of 286,370,297 Atom. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos, Atom, is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As indicated by Atom expectation, with different associations and coordinated efforts and local area financing, the digital money market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful, however most likely plausible toward 2022 in the momentary's end. Universe Price Prediction 2023. With any progressions in govt. Arrangements and guidelines, the Atom cost might have its portion of dim days. On the off chance that Atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA solidly, purchasers will then have adequate opportunity to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and dependability. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of Atom may be around $75. Universe Price Prediction 2024. Dashing up to peak won't be consequently so hard for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade Atom. Beginning with at least $63 in the drawn out, it might cross $90. Universe Price Prediction 2025. Molecule United States dollar, however, plunged yet in light of expectations and opposition level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the huge expansion in the quantity of Atom coins saved into the agreement. In the main, around 50% of the cost may be $81. Universe, Atom cost is set to give promising indications, arriving at an apex of $105 toward the finish of 2025. How does Cosmos Atom cost gain importance? On the lookout. Only the trust of financial backers has made a vertical flood in the Cosmos Atom cost, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals. As in aforementioned expectations, Cosmos has endured the trial of times and merits financial backers' well-deserved cash to purchase and for exchanging. Might Cosmos Atom at any point make you rich? For sure. Molecule could end up being an entirely important and manageable kind of revenue, gave you plan every one of your ventures shrewdly and decisively. As an excavator or customary financial backer of the cash, Atom could end up being a suitable venture counter.